Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP DeskJet 3760, and now I'm gonna show you how to check the PIN code on this device. So if you wanna open the printer WPS settings, and you can't do it because it's asking for a password, so it's very easy to resolve. You just need to check your PIN code, and your PIN code is inside of the printer. All you need to do is to open this part of the printer. So open this door, and here you have PIN code. Use this PIN code to unlock your device. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.